I am Trey Bennett, nurse practitioner and founder of Integrative Health Providers, Kansas City's board-certified lifestyle medicine specialist. I'm here today with a LeafSide meal, getting ready to enjoy lunch. This is more of a breakfast meal, but I often eat it for lunch. This is the raspberry cacao sweet bowl. I'm going to show you how this meal is prepared. There are 4 easy steps on the back. First one is to pour it into a bowl. I recommend a stainless bowl or a ceramic bowl over plastic because there will be hot water in contact. Next step is to pour 1.5 cups of boiling water. And next I'll stir this up just to make sure all the ingredients get reconstituted thoroughly and the flavors meld as well. Place the lid on. Now this stainless steel bowl you'll actually get if you order 12 or more of these meals. You'll get this stainless steel bowl for free. It's great on the go, camping, traveling, you name it. This bowl is perfect for LeafSide meals. Now, LeafSide meals are 100% non-GMO, mostly organic meals, and these are super convenient and shelf stable. You can literally put these in your desk at work, throw them in a backpack or in your luggage when you're traveling. They're wholesome, dried ingredients based on Dr. Greger's Daily Dozen, which if you haven't heard of that yet, that's 12 of the healthiest foods to eat every day for optimal health and longevity. And I recommend LeafSide to anyone that wants to increase whole plant food consumption. I've been known to say that convenience foods often cause inconvenient diseases. LeafSide is absolutely the exception to that rule.
While I'm waiting for my bowl here, I'll talk a little bit about the nuts and seeds in LeafSide. I really love that they have whole nuts and seeds, and these are an optimal source of whole plant fats that are healthy in the diet.
Now, these meals typically take between 7 minutes and 10 minutes. If you think about it, that's even quicker than going out to fast food, and you can have it just right here at your desk. I do recommend you get one of these water boilers. Not only is this great for LeafSide, but also for having hot tea between meals or if you are intermittent fasting. Speaking of the Daily Dozen, these are formulated to complement each other. So any of the sweet bowls or smoothies, you will then pair with a soup or a savory bowl to complete your Daily Dozen. And what is really cool about these meals is that they work in foods that you would not typically have in your oatmeal, for instance. So this one has mushrooms, also has organic kale, beets, peas, all these things that they work in to satisfy the Daily Dozen. And they're still delicious meals, and you really can't tell that there's kale in these meals. So I hope you enjoy them as much as I do.
Nice big chunks of raspberries and banana in there, along with plenty of cocoa.